Let's solve this rational equation by forming like denominators and then canceling those denominators out. So I'm just going to recopy this. Alright, so I've recopied this. Notice here where it says 1, I went ahead and put 1 over, and I'm waiting for my denominator. Now these first two fractions already have the same denominator, so I'm going to want this to also have that same denominator. That's only going to be okay if I put the same thing in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, once I have this 2v up here, I don't need the 1, because it's just 2v over 2v, of course, equals 1. So now we have the same denominator. Now before I cancel these out, I need to be careful about how I deal with this minus sign. I need to make sure it gets distributed across this binomial. So what you want to do is go ahead and change this to a plus, and then put minus and minus like that. So now that I have distributed the minus sign, now I can ignore the denominators and put the numerators all equal to each other. So that gives me 1 plus negative 3v plus negative 15 is equal to 2v. Alright, like terms. So I have negative 3v, 1 and negative 15 make negative 14. Now I will add 3v to both sides. Okay, so now I have negative 14 is equal to 5v. Then you divide both sides by 5, and you get negative 14 fifths is equal to v. Alright, let's see if we find that. Alright, so that makes the answer D. You should always watch out for excluded values. Just at a glance here, I see that v cannot equal 0 because of the 2v, but that's not this, so the answer is D.